HBP, a Chinese energy services brand. Our world is changing and moving forward, with accelerating technology reforming present society, and the demand for energy efficiency is increasing. As a comprehensive energy services and development company, HBP, with a spirit of innovation and boldness, has developed by leaps and bounds since its foundation in 1998. In 1999, HBP developed the international leading level tertiary oil recovery low shear cone valve polymer flow rate regulator, helping the Daqing oil field achieve a technological revolution in tertiary oil recovery, one pump for multiple wells. HBP had successfully set sail. In 2001, HBP developed a domestic leading level high efficiency oil, gas, water, and sand four-phase separator, helping Shengli oil field successfully solve the problem of how to separate their heavy, high water cut output liquids. HBP was thus established as the technological leader in the field of efficient separation in China. In 2003, HBP's oil and gas processing equipment successfully entered the offshore oil market, successfully outfitting offshore platforms, FPSO, and onshore terminals, thus becoming the major supplier of China's offshore petroleum equipment. In 2004, HBP developed international, leading-level, high-temperature, high-pressure test equipment, supplying to such international markets as Iraq, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Algeria, and Kuwait, thereby breaking the monopoly of American and European suppliers in this field. HBP's oil and gas extraction equipment had made another major breakthrough. In 2005, HBP took on the EP work for the Syrian GBB oil field's Central Processing Facility project. This was a solid step forward in HBP's entry into the international market for oil and gas processing projects. In 2006, HBP took the natural gas processing project for the No. 4 gas lift on Kazakhstan's Janajol oil field, thus extending HBP's integrated oil and gas processing industry chain. In 2007, HBP developed China's first proprietary automated mechanical tank cleaning equipment, changing the situation of this field's dependence on imports. In 2008, HBP developed China's first automated thermochemical and mechanical oily sludge separation treatment equipment, which was then applied on the Daqing oil field. Then, we successfully developed mobile sludge treatment equipment, and environmental engineering has become an increasingly important part of HBP's business development strategy. In 2010, HBP successfully undertook the EP work for Middle East MIS oil field and the Iraqi Al-Aqdab oil field's central processing facility. HBP's technologies and products gained a foothold in the Middle East market. In 2011, HBP set up an oil and gas resources development company and entered the business sector of energy development and operation. HBP successfully acquired China Oil Quarth natural gas pipeline and LNG management projects, Shanxi's Liulin CBM resource development project, and Dagang oil field's Kangnan oil and gas development project. HBP's energy development strategy officially began to take effect. In 2014, HBP began bidding on international EPC projects and won the bids for the water treatment project and natural gas sweetening project for Iraq Misan oil field, and natural gas sweetening and sulfur recovery projects for Kazakhstan Perova oil field, thus making the transition from process system and equipment solutions provider to general contractor. As a leader in the oil and gas services industry, HBP, since its foundation, has been dedicated to providing efficient, clean energy production methods to the global oil industry. On February 25, 2011, HBP went public on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, thus becoming the first Chinese process technology and appliance system solution provider in the petroleum and petrochemical fields to enter the A-share market. Currently, HBP's main areas of business include oil and gas processing, oil field environmental protection, engineering and technical services, and oil and gas resource development and utilization. In China, HBP offers professional services to both onshore and offshore oil and gas fields. Overseas, HBP's business has expanded to more than 30 countries and regions, including Iraq, Syria, UAE, Kazakhstan, Algeria, Kuwait, and Ecuador. HBP service capacity and quality is on the international leading level. HBP has now become a well-known company in the arena of oil and gas field surface systems equipment and services. In 2014, HBP took on Iraq Misan EPC project, thus achieving the transition from traditional oil and gas field equipment business to EPC project general contracting. After more than 10 years of development, by adhering to the core philosophy of technological innovation and people orientation, HBP has become the Chinese petroleum industry's leading provider in the design, development, fabrication, sales, and service of high-tech technologies and products, as well as the automation, integration, and configuration of industrial systems. HBP has followed the path of sustainable development of technological innovation based on providing efficient, energy-saving, environmentally friendly, and integrated solutions to oil and gas industry clients. After many years of accumulating industry experience, HBP is constantly enriching their product lines in accordance with market needs, undertaking the painstaking research and development of new technologies while taking advantage of system integrations and optimizing the integration of various types of equipment and technology. Hence, HBP can design complete systems of integrated equipment and meet the needs of different areas. The technology of HBP independently researched and designed efficient onshore and offshore oil and gas processing equipment, skid-mounted and vehicle-mounted high-temperature and high-pressure testing equipment, fixed and mobile oily waste treatment equipment, oil tank automated mechanical cleaning equipment, and other products are at an international leading level. After years of development, HBP has solid hardware and software capabilities. Currently, HBP has more than 20 patents of invention, 38 utility model patents, 15 software copyrights, and more than 40 proprietary technologies, forming a comprehensive core technology system. At the same time, HBP has established a first-class international standardized design and production management system, has EPC qualification, design and manufacturing qualifications for A1 and A2 pressure vessels and pressure pipeline, electronic EPC construction qualification and API, ASME U2S, NBR certification, and ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSOS 18001, and API Q1 Quality System Certification. HBP's solid research and development, robust manufacturing capability, and stringent quality assurance provides customers with easy-to-operate, safe storage, operationally intelligent products, allowing people to take advantage of energy resources while also creating a cleaner environment for their community. Culture is the soul of business development, and it is also the key to HBP's success in industry competition. Years on the path of innovation have gradually formed HBP's core values of customer-centered and market-oriented. A high degree of social responsibility and sense of mission have led to HBP's active participation in the promotion of social welfare. The company provides love and care to places of need in their community, causing HBP to continue to shine with a dazzling brilliance. After more than 10 years of development, HBP has become an internationalized integrated energy services provider. Adhering to the idea of creating value for customers, HBP will continue to provide excellent engineering, advanced technology and equipment, and integrated high-quality services to oil and gas clients worldwide, keeping pace with the development of the world's oil industry. In the future, we will make HBP into a world-famous brand. Looking into the future, HBP will maintain a dominant position in the industry, both at home and abroad, aiming to be at the forefront of the global technology market, creating a world-class engineering firm, integrating R&D, design, production, and service. From a global perspective, HBP will create the most internationally influential Chinese petroleum technology brand with infinite wisdom and power.